Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best USD Account Forex Brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Oanda. Oanda is a globally recognized online trading platform that offers comprehensive services for Forex and CFD trading. Established in 1996, the company has built a reputation for providing a reliable and transparent trading environment. Oanda offers competitive pricing, advanced tools, and flexible account types to accommodate both beginner and experienced traders. Oanda offers a wide range of trading instruments, allowing traders to diversify their portfolios across multiple asset classes. These include Forex, indices, commodities, shares, and cryptocurrencies. This diverse selection ensures flexibility and opportunities for traders of all levels. Oanda offers a range of advanced trading platforms tailored to meet the needs of both beginner and experienced traders. One of its key platforms is MetaTrader 5, a powerful multi-asset trading platform known for its enhanced trading tools, advanced charting capabilities, and improved order management. MetaTrader 5 supports algorithmic trading with expert advisors, offering traders greater automation and efficiency. Traders can also utilize TradingView, which offers intuitive charting tools and social trading capabilities, as well as Oanda's proprietary mobile trading platform, designed for a seamless mobile trading experience. These platforms ensure flexibility, comprehensive analysis tools, and efficient trade execution, catering to various trading strategies. Oanda offers a variety of trading account types designed to meet the needs of different traders. Their standard account is suitable for all traders, providing access to competitive spreads, zero commission trading, and a wide range of instruments. For high-volume traders, Oanda offers the premium account, which requires a minimum deposit or trading volume threshold and provides benefits such as volume-based rebates, a dedicated relationship manager, and fee reimbursements. The Premium Plus account is tailored for elite traders, offering greater rebates, exclusive trading resources, and additional perks like spread discounts and API access. Additionally, Oanda provides a comprehensive range of educational resources designed to support traders at all skill levels. These offerings include webinars, tutorials, and market analysis, helping traders develop their knowledge of Forex and CFD trading. Beginners can access trading guides and fundamental analysis tools, while experienced traders benefit from advanced strategies and technical analysis insights. With real-time market news and interactive learning material, Oanda equips traders with the necessary tools to enhance their trading skills and make informed decisions in the financial markets. At number 4 on our list is Avatrade. Avatrade is a global online broker founded in 2006 in Dublin, Ireland, that offers trading in a wide variety of markets. Backed by strong financial infrastructure, the broker provides an array of trading platforms to suit different trading styles, as well as operates under multiple regulatory jurisdictions and holds client funds in segregated accounts to enhance security. Avatrade offers a wide range of trading instruments through CFDs, giving traders plenty of options to build a diversified portfolio. You can trade over 50 Forex pairs, including majors, minors, and exotic currencies, as well as popular commodities like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas. Leading global indices such as the S&P 500, NASDAQ, and FTSE 100 are also available, alongside hundreds of international stock CFDs. Cryptocurrency CFDs, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, allow for around-the-clock trading. For traders looking for more advanced strategies, Avatrade also offers vanilla options on Forex and select commodities, making it suitable for both beginner and experienced traders alike. The broker provides a variety of trading platforms to suit different styles. MetaTrader 4 is ideal for beginners and experienced traders, while MetaTrader 5 adds more timeframes, order types, and asset coverage. Traders can also use WebTrader for browser-based trading or Ava options for professional options strategies. Social and copy trading are supported through Ava Social, allowing users to follow and replicate experienced traders. Available on desktop and mobile, Avatrade's platforms give traders the tools they need to trade effectively. Additionally, their mobile application lets traders execute orders, track prices, view interactive charts, and set alerts from anywhere. Unique features like Ava Protect also help manage risk, making mobile trading simple and secure. Avatrade offers a range of trading account types to cater to different trader profiles. The retail account is the most common, providing access to a wide array of markets with standard leverage and regulatory protection. For experienced traders, their professional account offers higher leverage and fewer restrictions, though it comes with increased risk and requires meeting specific eligibility criteria. The broker also provides Islamic accounts, which comply with Sharia law by offering swap-free trading conditions, as well as multi-account manager accounts, which are available for fund managers to manage multiple client accounts efficiently. Each account type is designed to meet the unique needs of traders, ensuring flexibility and support for various trading strategies. Avatrade offers a comprehensive suite of educational tools designed to support traders at every level. Their Ava Academy provides over 200 free online courses covering a wide range of topics. These courses feature video lessons, quizzes, and certificates to enhance learning and track progress. For those seeking structured guidance, Avatrade's Trading for Beginners section offers tutorials on key concepts such as leverage, margin, and trading lots, helping newcomers build a solid foundation in trading. Additionally, Avatrade hosts live webinars as well as provides a wide variety of video tutorials and articles, covering topics from risk management to technical analysis and trading strategies. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, Avatrade's educational resources are designed to empower traders with the knowledge needed to navigate the financial markets confidently. Coming in at number 3, we have IC Markets. IC Markets stands as a renowned financial institution committed to providing cutting-edge trading solutions for a diverse clientele. With a solid foundation in the financial markets, IC Markets has established itself as a leading broker, offering a wide array of trading instruments and services. Their global presence ensures accessibility for traders worldwide, while their commitment to innovation and transparency sets them apart in the dynamic world of online trading. IC Markets offers a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments, catering to the varied needs of traders in the global financial markets. Traders can access a wide spectrum of assets, including forex currency pairs, commodity CFDs, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. The broker ensures that their trading instruments incorporate the latest financial products, and the platform's versatility allows traders to explore and capitalize on various market movements, making IC Markets a preferred choice for those seeking a robust and dynamic trading experience across multiple asset classes. IC Markets provides trading platforms which are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from beginners to experienced professionals. And these platforms are namely the IC Markets proprietary trading platform, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5, as well as CTrader, with social trading functionality and a diverse range of tools. Their trading platforms are designed to cater to the diverse trading preferences and styles of their clientele, solidifying their position as a leading provider in the online trading industry. As a globally recognized broker, IC Markets offers a versatile array of trading account types to cater to the distinctive preferences of traders around the world. These include the raw spread, standard, and Islamic accounts, with demo account options. With these diverse account options, IC Markets ensures that traders have the flexibility to choose an account that aligns with their individual trading preferences and strategies. Whether prioritizing tight spreads, commission-free trading, or the innovative capabilities of CTrader, IC Markets aims to empower traders with tailored solutions for a dynamic trading journey. The broker also recognizes the importance of education in empowering traders to make better informed decisions. And the platform offers a comprehensive suite of educational resources to enhance the trading knowledge and skills of its users. Traders can access a variety of educational material, including video tutorials, articles, webinars, and market analysis, all aimed at enhancing their understanding of the financial markets. Overall, IC Markets stands as a preeminent global broker committed to providing a cutting-edge and inclusive trading experience. With a robust range of trading instruments, versatile platforms, and diverse account types, IC Markets caters to the unique preferences and needs of traders worldwide. They continue to set industry standards, offering a gateway to the world of online trading with sophistication and reliability. At number 2 on our list is Exness. Exness is a leading online forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of Forex trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best USD account Forex brokers, we have Pepperstone. Founded in 2010 in Melbourne, Australia, Pepperstone is a globally recognized Forex and CFD broker serving traders in more than 150 countries. The broker has earned a strong reputation for its tight spreads, fast execution speeds, and reliable trading environment, making it a popular choice for both new and experienced traders. The broker is also widely recognized for its commitment to transparency, innovation, and award-winning customer service, helping establish its portion as one of the leading online brokers in the industry. Pepperstone provides access to more than 1,400 CFD instruments across a wide range of global markets. Traders can choose from over 90 Forex currency pairs, major global indices, commodities including precious metals and energy products, more than 1,100 share CFDs from leading international companies, over 90 ETF CFDs, and a selection of popular cryptocurrency CFDs. This diverse market offering allows traders to diversify their portfolios and take advantage of opportunities across multiple asset classes from a single trading account. Pepperstone supports a wide range of industry-leading trading platforms, including MetaTrader 4, 5, CTrader, TradingView, and its own proprietary Pepperstone trading platform. These platforms are available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, offering advanced charting tools, one-click trading, automated trading capabilities, custom indicators, and copy trading features. With multiple platform choices, Pepperstone caters to beginners, algorithmic traders, and experienced professionals looking for a flexible trading experience. The broker offers 2 live trading account types designed to suit different trading styles. This includes the standard account, which features spread-only pricing with no additional commission, making it a straightforward option for everyday traders, and the Razor account, which provides ultra-tight spreads with a fast commission per trade, making it a popular choice for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders. Pepperstone also offers a risk-free demo account, allowing traders to practice strategies and explore the broker's platforms before trading with real funds. Additionally, the broker offers a comprehensive range of educational resources to help traders develop their knowledge and skills. Their learning hub features beginner-friendly guides, in-depth trading articles, platform tutorials, webinars, and educational videos covering Forex, CFDs, risk management, and trading strategies. Traders also gain access to market insights, trading guides, and regular insights from industry experts, making it easier to stay informed and improve their trading confidence at every experience level. And those are some of the top 5 best USD account Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.